We have our Harbor Freight quick hitch here and getting ready to put on the John Deere 2520. Some of you guys may notice that we're using the old 3-point hitch arms. We have a new set, but we haven't put them on yet. With the quick hitch, we don't need them. But first thing you want to do is you want to make sure your 3-point hitch arms are all the way down. That makes this job a whole lot easier. Then you can set your ball sockets so they're about in the center. And your quick hitch will rest on the arms. And simply pull up on an arm. To line up your ball socket. And do that on the other side. Alright, just lean it in. Now you can put your pins in. So you know what I'm talking about. I'll bring the camera over here to show you. And you can see the pin there and the pin there. So those are the only things you have to make sure you get in when you put the lift arms on. Now, the top link. So pull back on your quick hitch, drop your top link down, pull your pin, line up the hole, another spring pin goes in here, quick hitch is attached. Very easy. As you can see. All right, turnbuckles, one on each side. So you want to turn those tight so that this doesn't move back and forth as you want it tight. So let me tighten those up. I like to set them so that the 3-point hitch arms are in the center, evenly spaced between the rear wheels. I'll show you that when I get this done. You can make these as tight as you can. Impede when you lift. Okay, see, that's good and tight, and that's what it looks like when it's tightened up. All right, so there we go. There's the quick hitch all mounted to the tractor. We'll start it up and raise it up. With the tractor running, now we're going to lift it. And as you can see, lift it all the way up. Very good. Now I'm going to show you another little trick you can use your quick hitch for. Okay guys, as you can see, we have a trailer here, and we'd like to move the trailer. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our quick hitch to move the trailer. So open up your lock all the way, drop your 3-point hitch down as low as you need it to be, back your tractor up, right up. As you can see, everything's off the ground. Now, you can close the latch there if you'd like. If you're going any distance at all, it actually will not come off. As far as I know, we've never had one come off in the tons of times we've done this. So now we'll pull the trailer out. As you can see, it works great for moving the trailer. Get this ready to hook up. Okay, simply repeat the process. And there you have it. Okay, we have our landscape rake here, and we're going to hook up to it so you can see we're pretty squared up to it. So we need to open up both sides, the latches. Drop it down just a bit. And make sure we go under both sides of the pins. Going to back up. Okay, let's drop down a slight bit more just to get the top in. There it is. Going to back up a bit now. Lift. We're actually attached, but we're not attached the way we want to be yet. As you can see, both pins aren't in quite how we want them. It will drop in here in a second when we get the cement block out of the way. All right, drop it back down. Move forward and backwards slightly. And the landscape rake is attached. Okay, piece of cake. That went well. So as you noticed, we do not have a bucket on the front of our loader or forks, so we are going to show you how to hook those up next. Okay, as you can see, we have a loader bucket here, and we're getting ready to hook up to it. So we'll do that here. John Deere has a real sweet setup. I love this quick attach. There you see how easy that is. Take your pin here. There's one. Pin on this side. And two. And that's all there is to hooking that loader up, and it will not come off. Forks hook up the same way. Okay, we've got our trailer hooked up to the truck. We've got our ramps down, and we're going to load here in just a second. Okay, we've got our tractor sitting here. We're ready to load. So we're going to run her right up on the trailer. So we're going to place the camera here. Hopefully that gives you a good angle. Okay, we are loaded on the trailer. Got our pin in. Everything's ready to go. We just got to strap her down. Okay, we've got it all strapped down. We like to strap in 3 different locations. Where the strap comes through the 3-point hitch, it's nice and rounded, so it won't cut the strap. Okay, looks like we're ready to go, and we'll be able to get out of here. Thanks, guys.